5 best invoicing softwares for small businesses. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Small business owners and entrepreneurs. Are you tired of spending hours managing invoices and chasing payments? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 5 best invoicing software options for small businesses. These tools are designed to save you time, streamline your billing process, and help you get paid faster. So let's get started. Now, what makes a good invoicing software? Before we jump into that particular list, let's quickly discuss what makes a good software. A good invoicing tool should be easy to use, affordable, customizable to your business's needs, and integrate seamlessly with other tools like your accounting software or your payment gateway, and it has bonus points if it's mobile friendly, so you can manage invoices on the go. Starting off our list, and this list is in no particular order, we have Invoice to Go. So, starting at number 5, Invoice to Go is a software perfect for freelancers and small businesses that need a simple yet powerful solution. It offers customizable invoices, expense tracking, and even payment reminders. Plus, it is mobile friendly, so if you want to use it on your mobile device, it has some of the best mobile apps in its class. However, it's worth noting that its pricing can be a bit higher compared to its competitors, and if you're looking for simplicity and mobility, Invoice2Go is a solid choice. Getting started is easier than ever simply by going ahead and proceeding with your 30-day free trial, starting at only $5.99 a month if you go with monthly billing, and with annual billing, you can get a 16% discount. Click on Try it for free, and you can proceed with entering your full name, your work address, and your password. And that is all you have to do. Now, going on to number 4 on our list, we have Bill.com. Coming in at number 4, Bill.com is a platform ideal for businesses that deal with high transaction volumes or require advanced automations. Bill.com simplifies accounts payable and receivable processes by automating tasks like payment scheduling and approvals. It integrates with major accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero, and because it is so easily integratable, it can help you in making sure everything is scheduled properly. And while it's incredibly powerful as a invoicing tool, the learning curve might be far more steeper for beginners, but I do think that it's a pretty amazing tool. And when it comes to pricing, the pricing is pretty competitive. When you take a look at their accounts payable and receivable plan starting, their essentials plan starting at $22.50 per user per month. And if you just want their spend and expense tool, you can get started for free. So you can get a virtual card and physical card, access budgets with proactive spend control, and set up expense management. So if you're a individual starting a business, you can use their free plan and then upgrade to the accounts payable and receivable as your business grows. Now, going on to number 3 on our list, we have SquareUp.com. So, Square invoices are something a lot of people might not know of because Square is most popularly known for its website building tool. If you're already using Square for payments or your POS system, this is a no-brainer. Square Invoices offers free invoicing with no monthly fees. You only pay transaction fees when customers make payments on your invoices. It's a user-friendly tool and works seamlessly with other Square products. However, it might not offer as many advanced features as some of its competitors. But for a free tool, I think it's really amazing and can be the perfect tool for people that are already using the Square ecosystem. Getting started is as easy as clicking on Get Started to sign up. And if you already have a Square account, you can use it to sign up. And on their free version, your online card payment rates are going to be 3.3% plus 30 cents and a 1% with a minimum fee of $1 on online ACH payments. Then on their plus version, if you do choose to upgrade, you have discounted processing rate. So you get a 2.9% plus 30 cents online card payment and a 1% ACH payment fee with a maximum fee of $10. So it's never going to exceed $10. And this can be really amazing when it comes to just managing your finances and keeping everything in order for free. Now, moving on to number two on today's list, we have FreshBooks. Now, FreshBooks is another one of those tools which you don't realize can serve you as a great invoicing tool because you know it for accounting, you know it for payments and billing, but invoicing is something that is integral to FreshBooks in itself. FreshBooks is an all in one accounting solution that excels at invoicing. Its standout features include automated recurring invoices, time tracking for projects, and expense management. FreshBooks also integrates with numerous apps like Stripe and PayPal for easy payments. The only downside is that it's slightly more expensive than basic invoicing tools, but the added features can make it really worth the extra price, especially if they're integral to your business. And our final and top pick is Zoho Invoicing. Now, why is Zoho our top pick? Well, this software checks all the boxes. It's feature packed with user friendly and mobile optimized tools. And the best part is that all of it is completely free. Yes, you heard it right, completely free. Zoho Invoice allows you to create professional invoices in minutes, automate payment reminders, and track expenses effortlessly. It's part of the larger Zoho ecosystem, so if you're already using apps like the Zoho CRM or Zoho Books, integration is seamless. And that is why I definitely do think it's the best tool. So, if I was to say that I was going to compare the pricing, Zoho and Square invoices are free, and Invoice to Go is at a higher cost. So, I would cut that out of the list for people that are looking for the lower end of the spectrum when it comes to pricing. Bill.com has moderate pricing, whereas FreshBooks has some premium pricing. Zoho is feature rich, whereas if I was to say FreshBooks offers you better ticket management and it also has expense management and time tracking, whereas Bill.com has automation and integrations, and Invoice to Go has customizations and mobile apps. I personally think that for all in one accounting, FreshBooks is a really great tool, but it's a more premium tool for more mid sized businesses. And if you're more conscious of pricing, I would say that it is going to be better to opt for Soho. However, if you have a POS system, then Square is going to be better for people that are using Square inventory or have a person of sale or point of sale system that they want integrated with their invoicing tool. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.